Welcome. In front of me is the new Kindle 11th generation, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So I just pop it open. This is the, I believe that's supposed to be the name, or is it the Gen 11? I honestly don't really know how the Kindles are named. I know there is the Oasis, and that's about it. Anyway, let's just get there. Actually, I also know that there's the Paperwhite, and that actually has the very close look to what the Paperwhite usually looks like, and size too. So here's the device itself. There we go. Yeah, this looks like, if I remember correctly, Paperwhite looked like that. Anyway, inside we have our charging cable, Type A to Type C, and some manuals right here, and that's about it. Now the display right here is some anti-coat or anti-glare display. It's a 6-inch display, so it's relatively small. It's something that can easily fit in your pocket. It also comes with a USB Type-C port at the bottom right here, along with the power button. And here we have our screen. One more thing, the display right here is lit up, so you have backlighting on it, which I believe previous generations already had that as well. Select English. Hopefully I don't need to log in. Please tell me I don't need to log in. Now, finish-wise, made out of plastic. Feels pretty solid though. The plastic doesn't feel super cheap or anything like that. The device also has a little bit more heft to it, so I held Kindles before, and this one has a bit more weight behind it. Like it feels like there's a massive battery somewhere here. So obviously adds a little bit more to the feeling of the device. It doesn't feel so cheap, so that's good. Yeah, there's not much more to it. It's just a Kindle. So with that being said, hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.